What's the meaning of ciggy? Ciggy. Ciggy.
Ciggy. Ciggy. Ciggy is a slang term used to refer to a cigarette. It is commonly used in informal settings such as among friends or in casual conversations. The term is most popular in countries such as the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. However, it is not commonly used in formal or professional settings. It is important to note that smoking is harmful to health and can cause various health issues such as lung cancer, respiratory diseases, and heart disease. Therefore, it is advisable to quit smoking and avoid exposure to secondhand smoke.